2005 DRV Mobile Suite 36RS3 for sale in Oberlin, Kansas 67749. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2005 DRV Mobile Suite 36RS3. This luxury fifth wheel is 36 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs and 1 power awning with new fabric, as well as a leveling system both front and rear. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2005 DRV Mobile Suite 36RS3 is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 3-burner StoveConvection, MicrowaveNew refrigerator, double kitchen, SinkDinette with chair seating, pantry, 32-inch flat-screen TelevisionSurround, SoundDVD/CD/StereoPull out sofa, SleeperChairsBathroom, Corian countertops, walk-in ShowerNew, Skylight over, ShowerWasher/dryer included outside, ShowerMaster, king-size BedMaster, full-size closet and DresserMaster, television hookup but no TelevisionBasement, storage with slide-out RackTwo, AC, UnitsNew, WindowsFurnaceHeat, PumpCentral, vacuum system, smoke/carbon monoxide detectors, 1-piece rubber roof with maintenance and inspection done yearly, good tires, new shocks and much more. This 2005 DRV Mobile Suite 36RS3 is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2005 DRV Mobile Suite 36RS3 fifth wheel can be yours.